Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today was a weird day. I'm just going to say it. It was a weird day. We had the PPI number come out, Producers Price Index, and it showed massively higher inflation than expected. Now, you would think the market would have had quite a reaction to that. But the activity shows that I don't think the market had any idea what to even think. There's a great deal of uncertainty. I talked about that a couple of days ago, but this just really highlights it. Take a look. So it didn't quite add to the new highs that were reached on yesterday's doji. We opened lower and then closed basically, unchanged on the day, up 6 cents, nothing. But look at the volume here. The volume is paltry. It's nothing. That means there just was not a lot of trading. And I'm guessing, I don't have the evidence to back this up, but I'm guessing that most of the volume here today was retail traders, especially buying towards the end of the day. I think this could be a buyer's trap. Now, I'm not necessarily saying sell everything you have, but I think if you're not at least somewhat hedged, I don't know. I think it's important to consider being somewhat hedged. Now, where I found really interesting is if we go to TLT, which is the 20-year Treasury bond ETF, that one had a fairly good down day with, I guess, kind of average volume. Yeah, kind of light on the volume too, though. But that down day could be a little bit telling. The end of the week tomorrow, and let's go back to spiders here, because we're up on the week in spiders. Tomorrow's going to be a telling day. It could be a very pivotal point either way. I think if we get high volume on an update tomorrow, the big money decided, and you can't fight the tape. You'd want to join it. I think if we get big volume tomorrow and we see a sell-off, I also think the big money decided, and you can't fight that tape. If we still get more indecision on light volume, I don't even know what to think. I just think it gives us more time to position ourselves to be protected. I had some extra thoughts on this that I wrote in a Substack post today for all of those of you who follow me on Substack, which is just simply markettaker.com/Substack. MarketTaker, 2 T's in a row, markettaker.com/Substack. And you can read this article by becoming a paid subscriber, which is just $30 a month, cost of a fancy Starbucks once a week. It's a great value, and the things that you get out of that, I think you're going to get a lot out of it. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.